Let's get personal. The art of informal introductions using first names. Hello everyone. Welcome to another exciting lesson. Today, we're going to dive into the world of informal introductions. More specifically, we'll focus on how to introduce others using first names. This can make your conversations feel a lot more personal and friendly, especially in less formal situations. When you're in informal settings like a friendly gathering or a casual meeting, using first names can help you build rapport and make others feel comfortable. It adds a touch of friendliness and familiarity. Remember, it's always important to gauge the situation and ensure it's appropriate to use first names. In this section, let's explore some phrases you can use for informal introductions. When introducing someone, a simple, "This is name," or "meet name," usually works well. If you want to add more details, you can say, "This is name, my friend from place or institution," or "I'd like you to meet name, our star player." Remember, the aim is to keep it simple and friendly. Let's look at some examples in a conversation. 1. Hey, meet Alex. We used to play football together in college. 2. This is Jessica. She's an amazing artist. 3. Guys, I'd like you to meet Sam, my roommate from university. Notice how these sentences not only introduce the person but also provide a bit of context about who they are or how you know them. While informal introductions can be straightforward, there are a few pitfalls to avoid. Remember, using first names is about creating a friendly atmosphere, not about being overly casual or disrespectful. Avoid introductions that may come across as too casual, like, "Here's old name," or "Say hi to my homeboy, homegirl name," unless you're sure it's suitable for the context and your relationship with the person. And that's a wrap. Now you have a better grasp on informal introductions using first names. It's all about simplicity, friendliness, and context. Practice these phrases and examples in your daily conversations, and you'll be a master in no time. Happy learning, and see you in our next lesson.